Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Pure Shade. If you're new or just stopping by, I'm Shay, a health and wellness coach to help you be a better version of you on the inside and out. So this week, we're going to talk about the top 5 foods that lower and boost testosterone. Testosterone is a hormone that plays a powerful role in men's health. Maintaining a healthy level is so important. It affects the way they gain muscle, sexual function, hair growth, and the way they boost their strength. So as they age, it does decrease, so there are ways to lower and boost by the food you eat. So first, the top 5 foods that lower testosterone. Number 1 is soy and soy-based products. So anything like edamame, tofu, soy milk, make sure you eat those foods in moderation because it does reduce your testosterone level. Number 2 is vegetable oil. So anything like canola oil, soybean oil, or corn oil are loaded with polyunsaturated fatty acids, which lead to reducing your testosterone. So instead of those vegetable oils, trade them in for like walnut oil, avocado oil, grapeseed oil, any of the more healthier oils. Use those instead of vegetable oil. Number 3 are processed foods, which are high in sodium, calories, and added sugars. So any convenience meals like frozen, packaged foods, avoid as much as possible. I know it's really convenient, but try to make your own foods or go out to a restaurant, maybe a more healthier restaurant. Number 4 is alcohol. So an excessive amount of alcohol, it actually reduces testosterone levels. So again, in moderation, you can have a glass of wine, but just be aware, don't go overboard. Number 5, flax seeds. Although they are rich and high in omega-3 fatty acids, they also contain a chemical called lignin, which is a polyphenol that reduces testosterone. So on the flip side, in order to boost your testosterone, you first want to make sure you're getting a good night's rest. If you're only getting about 5 hours, you're reducing about 15% of your testosterone already. Make sure you're getting a daily exercise in, lower your intake in sugar, and make sure you grab some nuts, maybe eat some walnuts, almonds, and Brazil. So to start off the top 5 foods that boost the testosterone, number 1 are bananas. Bananas contain an enzyme called bromelain, which boosts the testosterone level and help you maintain a high energy level. So go grab you a banana. Number 2, which are pomegranates. This particular fruit will give you a daily dose of antioxidant and improve the circulation. It's been known to improve the testosterone levels by 24%. So while you go get that banana, get you some pomegranate. 3, which are leafy green vegetables. So anything like Swiss chard, kale are high in magnesium, which this is a mineral that increases the body's level of testosterone. So make sure you go grab some. Number 4, avocados, which are high in vitamin B6, which reduces cortisol, which is a stress hormone, and also reduces high unhealthy levels of cholesterol, which is the LDLs, the low density lipoprotein cholesterol levels, and increases your testosterone levels. So go grab you a couple avocados, throw them in a... Number 5, coconut, which is a healthy choice for your saturated fats. But remember to keep it at 10% daily. It helps to regulate the level of cholesterol in the body. It also boosts muscle growth, promotes lean body mass, and balances the body's hormones. So go grab you some raw coconut butter, shreds, or even some coconut milk. Maybe even go get you a raw coconut. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and share. Be you. Think naturally. Thank you guys again. Bye.